Clap your hands. Wow, very good. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Apakalamig!
It's so cold.
Yeah! Lamig. Grabe yung kamay ko ng ano.
So, hindi natin kaya tumira sa may yelo.
Kami nga sa likod ko. Di ako yun.
Sino? Kuya Utoy. Mag-zumba tayo.
Dapat tutuwa si Alan. Baka mawala ka.
6 a.m. No, give me a normal sleeping bag. Give that to me. I will.
Ay, let's dance. Go on. Yung ay naku na mayo. 6 a.m.
Iniwan ka na tanay. Ay na. Utoy. Wow. Ate Shin. Tita Nak. Ah.
I'm gonna grow this.
Uy.
Ano mo to?
Akin. Wow. Dance. Yay. Ganyan lang, go.
Sa likod mo.
Feel the rhythm in the night. We're flying high. Moments passing by like stars in the sky.
Ayun na sila.
Whispers in the air. Together we align. Dancing through the hours. We're running out of time. Let's rewind, rewind. Feel the beat inside. Hearts collide, collide. Ways we can't deny. We'll ride the tide in the flashing lights. We'll make it right, right under the neon lights.
Wow! Where's the mermaid? Count the mermaid, okay? Count the mermaid. Okay? How many? 1.
Doon din nagsaka yung tubig.
Count the boat. Okay, count. Ano daw? Count the boat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good! Very good, Akin. Very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Wow, very good. Arya! Arya! Ate! Tita! Lagot na talaga. Tita! Akin! Akin! Si Akin lang yung masaya eh.
Pagod na pumadya.
Wow. Yun nga yung kabayo. Go Arya! Arya! Yeah, nice. Kuya Utoy. Bugs pagod. Mga pagod. Hingal. Bugs. Bugs. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Oh, ito yung pang-limang picture niya.
Pang-lima.
Wow, may leg. Wow, ang galing.
Kanyang bigayan.
Mga sanay na sa ano. Grabe. Palit ng palit yung daan.
Like ay pulisong talaga.
Tugs. Thank you, Kuyang Rider.
Ay na, 1.7.
Pagsubo.
Hindi lang ito, medyo ano.
Thank you, Kuyang Rider.
Maraming salamat po.
Nasaan? Ito! Finally. Finally. Natunton din. Tada! Nakalagay. My home in Baguio. Yeah. House tour. So, dito ako mag-stay for 3 days. Oh! Ito yung pinaka-attic. Ang daming rooms.
Ito siya.
Hi. Meron pa sa taas. Pwede naman tayo sa taas. Okay.
Ito apat.
CR. Yeah. Wow! Gusto mo magkaroon na lang tayo. So, this will be our room. Tada! Yeah, kasya kami dyan. Tatlo ni Shane. Dito yung side ko. Kasi may charger. Look at that girl. Ito yung mga gamit. Ha? Gaan.
Saka ano, balde. Tapos yung shower, abot sa ano.
Ba't hindi tayo nag-ilaw? Ang liwanag pala. Ang liwanag. Pwede pala yun. Pwede naman pala yung mailaw. Pwede naman pala yun eh. Day 2 and day 3 stuff. Kuha mo din ako water, please. There's my slides. And this is my day 2 outfit. Tada. Ayun yung jacket ko na iwan sa baba. Malakas yung freezer, te. Makakagawang yelo. Okay eh. Utensils. Smile. Toy, kala ko di ka matutulog. Kala ko di ka matutulog. Hindi ko kinaya.
Iwan ka ba? Sama ka anak, sama.
Anong oras tayo? Alas tayo. Good evening, people. Good brushing my teeth. I just need to make. Good night, people. See you day 2. Kaway ka tayo. Wow. Good eyes in there. Hi. Good night, everyone. Day 2. Pimple. Fit check before umuwi. Morning walk. Punta sa parking lot. As mga lokal ng Baguio. Taga-lokal ng Baguio.
Ay na, restroom. Nakaturo.
Maganda to pang PG. Hi, kaway kayo. Ha? Let's go hiking. Hiking pala to.
Ayun yung clouds mo. Yun yung clouds sa doon. Ayun na. Tingnan po.
Ay, tara. Tapos namin. Natapos. Survivor. Ang taas pa naman. May galit. Mga lokal. Mga lokal. Sila mama. Paris. Woo! Mang inasal. Diretso pa dito ta. Dito. Hanapin namin yung mang inasal. Mga lokal. Mga lokal. Mga lokal ng Baguio. The exploration. Yan, thank you, kuyang. Gutom ka na, Toy.
Tingnan mo, parang nakabalabo yung like.
Aray ko.
Merong dream catcher, tas merong view deck 1.
Tayo. Anong dream catcher?
Ay, madulas.
Ano sa taas ko?
Baka gumulong ako, Lord. Ay. Parang pa ano na to. Parang wala nang pa wrong turn na to. Guys, parang wrong turn yung dadaanan namin. Sobrang dulas. Oh, parang may haharang sa amin. Ito, daan. Ito na may sign. Ito, view deck.
Ito na maayos no.
Ano? Ano, kaya nyo? Ayaw na nila ituloy. Oo nga eh. Dreamcatcher na lang. Parang nawawala na kami. Baka tayo yung alay. Crispy, ang crispy ng lugar.
Alam mo, di siya puntahin. Kasi marami siyang dumot, oh. Di siya puntahin. Dahil dumot eh.
Ang liblib nga. Ano yung fog?
Kaya pala din kasi pinuntahan natin.
Ito na yung mga fog.
Ito sa drink pa, pa baba.
Mahirap kasi din mo ng tao.
Mahirap nga.
Ano naman sumusunod? Ano pa, di ba malulunod?
Let's go sa Dreamcatcher.
Anak. Pababa.
Oh, on the way view deck.
Hakbang ka, hakbang.
Diretso.
Hala, ano na may spirit house?
Ito may sign mo.
Hoy!
Kaya naman tayo, ha?
Ma-fog na. Dito na kami sa fog. Tawag na.
Ang lamig, ha?
Saya.
Paano tayo talaga? Ito na yung fish pan. Dito na tayo, kunti. Magpahinga lang tayo. Namnamin natin 100 natin.
Damiin natin.
Ah, ito. Ay, makipagsayawan tayo. Pag ako sumayaw. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. Hala, baka pasayawin ako. Ako, hahataw ako. Ba't na lang yung upo? Say hi, kuya. Akala ko naman madaming flowers kasi garden.
Hindi ko na siya gawin.
Ay,
Diba tingnan mo ito? Tamawan village lang.
Diyos.
Ba't pala kanina nakalagay garden?
Garden in the sky, sabi.
Diba sabi ko? Baka naman yung view deck ang garden in the sky.
Sa ito nga.
Ano?
Ay, Diyos ko.
Baka gusto nyo ba? Gusto nyo bang puntahan natin?
Uy, hindi na, uy. Uuwi na.
Hindi ganun.
Namatay cellphone ko.
Ano to?
Ito si Nico, bumukod na rin.
Ganda siya pag gabi. Ano? Maganda siya pag ano.
Yeah. Lakad.
Ito yung mga kalwari. Ano ba to? Garden?
Ay, dito maganda. Ganda. Tada, look at the fields. Ready to sleep. Say hi.
Huh?
Hi. Hello. Wow. Arya.
Hashtag pissed.
Pissed. Hashtag pissed.
Okay na yan.
Ay, nalo mo na saya.
What did you say, Anna? What should I do with the bread? Is there a toaster?
We don't know how to use the toaster. Because we don't have toaster.
We're not modern like you guys.
Wow.
4 pieces.
We are poor if you guys are rich.
Ay, na here's your Milo. Wow, talagang Tuloy-tuloy. Kahit nasa Baguio na tayo, ice pa din.
And then more ice.
Wow. Ano yun mo na, mix mo na. Dead masalamig. Ice coffee pa din.
One time my toast ended up on the floor.
Hi vlog. So, nakahiga to. Hi vlog. So, ginagawa namin is nagro-roblox kami ditong 4. Technically, 5 kami, kaso nga lang yung pang-5 ay masyadong galit.
Ay, sa mga kamay. Dito, ganito hawak. Yan.
Guys, tinuturuan po pala ako ng professional vloggers who has 128 subscribers. Pinapatahimik nila ako guys, so gagawa muna ako ng ASMR.
Tulog na kasi si Kuya RJ. Tulog na kasi yung rival namin.
Cold Malbo.
I'm gonna try it.
So this is our last night.
So we must enjoy it. We're gonna sleep at 5 a.m.
Yes.
And what you do with cold Milo is you have cold water.
Wait, that's
No,
Charles.
Ayaw niya.
Oh Lord.
Ayaw
What you
niya
do
ng
is
Maybe next time we should try cold Milo.
you get ice.
Butoy dandahan na may
May
Okay,
ice.
nagtotoast sila ng bread. Tignan natin. Let's see.
You just mix it and it will be cold.
Okay na? Ay, kabayo. Ano? Nagulat ako. Ay.
Ano ba yun? Mga ignorant. Why did the toaster startle me?
Yeah. Well, I also want
Is that really
toast bread.
now? Oh,
Yeah, it's crispy.
Okay.
Yo,
It is there.
can you make us some?
Okay, we'll make some more.
Wow. This is Aria's food. Bread and water. He doesn't want anything. Just bread and water.
Someone's sleeping up there. We're just here making toast.
We're making. I'm gonna put mine.
This is this.
My turn. Ang sarap ng kape. Oh.
Is this fine or do you want even more?
Recording.
Listen, you viewer watching this.
Let's
I know you also see that. You also need to
get in the
admit it.
cup. I said get in the cup.
Admitting things is easy. Just be confident of what you're saying. So if I'm saying,
Sabi mo kay Aria, say hi siya.
say hi to the vlog. You are being live.
How's the bread?
You are being watched by over 300 people.
How's the bread? Is it good? Okay.
Patiligan ko sarili ko sa salamin eh.
Ano to dito tayo sa toast.
This is me guys. Testing vlog. Set it to 6 minutes. Hey, we're drinking soft drinks. I see you, bro. Because I'm also gonna drink.
They got all types.
Bagel?
Yeah, they got all types.
Tingin mo to, iba yung tinapay niya.
Bakit?
Nawakan mo yung kalan, no?
Oo. Nakakmanid ako. Ang daming cheese yan.
Whose is this?
I don't know, but I also want
But I'm
bread.
toasting one here.
I want bread.
So whose is this?
I'll take it. This is yours now.
Whose is this? Yours?
Yours? Maybe.
It's mine.
Oo, boys, meron ka nung share dyan.
But then I toasted this one, so whose is whose?
I'm taking 2.
Oh wait, but this one's set to 4, which is the one he wants. And there's 2 in here.
It's yours? So it's yours.
That's Utoy's. If it's... Yeah.
It's gonna be
that's what
it's gonna be the color of Utah's hair.
I want mine all Utah.
What do you mean? Utah's white.
Utah's hair and your hair, they're all
Alam ko
black.
si Kalbo eh.
Kasi may tato.
Alam ko si...
I think this is
Dalig
good
naman
enough.
natin yun.
Yeah.
Take it.
Ayun na. It's your time.
Oh, boy.
Bakit sunog yan?
That is sleeping in the house. Is it your tatay?
I think it is body tattoo.
No.
Si Tito Sen yan, si tatay yan.
I want to be toast,
Takpan mo
but
yun
not
ang mga
burned.
disputo yan. Hindi mo nalagay mo lang.
Like Kuya Utoy's bread.
At least I didn't set it to 7. I think I would have burnt the house down.
Yeah.
Anong tasa, te?
Hindi ito na binalik mo yun ba?
Midnight snack. Ito talaga ng aking tinapay. Oh Lord, Miga.
Titik po kayo.
If you're Australian friends, ask them if you hear someone say the N-word, if you just point me out. I'll be a
I have an Indian friend that keeps on saying the N-word.
He's Indian, of course he's Indian, of course he's allowed to say it. No. The way we toast bread in this,
You want more, Arya?
we get a pan,
You want more?
set it to
How many?
medium heat,
How many
And-
bread?
if the side is...
Why don't you just get a toaster?
Listen, we're poor, we're not advanced like you. Oh,
Hindi tinakpan mo.
Arya, one. Tinakpan mo na yun.
Show them your bread. Show them your bread.
hey guys,
More
This is the back.
bread.
The back.
my burnt bread. 10 out of 10 lang guys.
10 out of 10 daw yung pagkakasunog.
Taste test.
Ang lapit mo naman. Yeah,
Put your finger in.
yeah, sunog.
Ready?
No.
Okay, we're about to use the whole bag for ourselves. How fun.
Oh, wow.
Ilan na lang yan?
Let's
You see-
taste
How
the...
many more is left? Toast it too. This toast.
Just toast.
Yeah.
Toast all of it.
I'm only gonna.
Ayun, so
nothing
good.
behind.
Wait, everyone's only gonna have one, I think.
It's good.
Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know it's perfect.
Same ba yan?
Yung pala mo, nos, mga
Ano, it's your turn.
Ano na?
Ikaw na.
Oh, it's my turn. Okay, Arya, your turn. Wow. Oh, you're me.
Oh, I'm done. Oh.
Congrats.
Wait, who's done?
Yeah.
I was start first.
No, I was second. So it's Kuya's turn now.
Five.
Since I've
Nice one.
done a reverse.
Okay. Nice one.
Are you straight up drinking from it?
No.
Oh.
I was just thinking of the card.
Nahuli. Nahuli.
No, I was just kidding.
Who's next? Who's next? Okay, do this for animal.
What if I just drink it straight up?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's fine. It's yours
It's
now.
fine.
Let's go.
Who's next? You done?
Utoy.
I play.
Utoy.
Arya?
Utoy. It's recorded.
Connor, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna combine Laurel and Sprite.
Alright, I need your turn.
I
Oh,
put,
go
I
to
will.
Arya. Want some chocolate? No?
Wait, my turn now?
Yeah, you. Go na to.
Nagbago ka nga ng isipan nila.
For now.
Goodbye, Philippines.
Oh, this is
Ooh, you got
Philippines.
Philippines.
It's any fireworks.
Yeah.
We have fireworks here.
Oh, let's.
Seafood.
I'm next.
And it's named Goodbye Philippines. So we
Oh,
will
wait,
probably
let's
use
start
the term.
It's flip.
It's your turn.
Yeah, but then it's flip.
Ah.
It's orange.
Okay, here.
Oh, will you save me?
He's cooking something.
Oh, what color?
I changed my mind. I'm so sorry.
Okay, go Aina.
Who know?
Hala. Hala to eh.
Dos.
Dos. What do you mean DOS? You put with it.
Tres. It's a wild card. Anak ng tipak mo.
Hala tayo.
I'm done.
We won, Arya. We won.
Ito, ikaw magpapamigay, balasa. Okay, the punishment will be like that. The one who loses will give the cards.
No.
Hula.
So she make a proper punishment.
What kind?
Sleep outside.
The one who lose will sleep first. Just kidding. Kuya. Rin na backwards. Ano? Flip ulit? Ako na, no? Oo. Ayaw, flip ko.
Ano na kayo?
Hindi na natapos. Lista ko mana.
Hindi, yan kaya nga nag-uno para sa ganyan.
Hi, good morning. So, this will be our last day here in Baguio. So, it's currently 6:39 a.m. Yeah. Mas katatapos ko lang maligo. Pero naka-PJs pa ako. Look at that. May naka-trouser. Ayos mo na ako ng buhok ko. Kahit nasa Baguio, kahit malamig, talagang bukas pa rin ang electric fan. Talaga. Pinapawisan pa rin ako. Yes. Very pawisin. Day. Unpacking na. Wow. Ang bumuhay sa akin. Charger, plancha. It's nice. Goodbye, Baguio. Bye for now. Bye!
Bye, Aki!
Bye-bye! Si Akin.
Tanda kami sa bawat isa upang
Pagaling na mga anak. Uwian na. Tayo uwian na. Kain mo na. Gutom ako. Gutom ako. Gutom ako. Uwi na kami. Ano masasabi mo tayo na uwi na tayo? Masaya ka? Masaya ka? Ikaw te, ano masasabi mo uwi na tayo? Parang naiiyak ka. Si mama, uwi ka naman. Ano daw? Ano daw te? Going home. Walk, walk, walk. Saan na si Kuya RJ? Ah, ito. Last tao, Toy. Saan yung sasakyan? Hindi, nakawala na tayo. Hindi nakawala na. Saan na kami napagto? Galing naman ni Kuya RJ maghanap ng parking. Sarap. Bumiling tao. We're going home.
Pakita po natin yung kinainan natin.
Oo nga eh, yung almusal. Mamitas.
Ano ba yun?
Ah, ito dyan. Uwi na kami.
Maga pa kasi tayo.
Wow.